Welcome to my channel, Joe Garbart Studio. I have a variety of videos on my channel. Here's a sample of the different kind of videos I have. If you like them, you can find them and watch them. Zoos, festivals, parades, parks. I like to share with others through videos. I like to make wildlife videos. I like to record events and places around my hometown. I enjoy parades, and especially when WVU comes to perform in our town. We have different parades in our town. This happens to be a homecoming. We have Christmas parades and several others. Oh, and there is a full video with the WVU performance. A whole video just with that. You can find it on my channel. This parade threw lots of candy. It put a lot of smiles on the kids' faces. I love Halloween. These families do an outstanding job at Halloween. Check out that video. They grow bigger every year. There's a couple videos. There's several Christmas at the Barn videos. It's a big hit. It is fantastic to go to, too, if you ever have the chance. Several veteran ceremonies to watch. Several different parades in the communities of Preston County. Go check them out. Santa in his outhouse. And Halloween Town. From Halloween made it to Christmas. Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. Really like it if you'd subscribe. I like to make videos, and I sure hope you like watching them. Thanks. Subscribe and tap the bell to get all the notifications.